Onetask AI is a revolutionary new AI tool that's just hit the market. And today, I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about this software. Whether you're a digital marketer or just someone exploring the power of AI, this software promises to streamline your workflow and take your productivity to the next level. So if you're curious about what Onetask AI can do for you, stick around until the end, because I've got some powerful insights to share that could change how you work forever. First off, Onetask AI is designed to handle a wide variety of tasks, from automating your daily operations to managing complex projects. What sets it apart from other AI tools is its ability to integrate seamlessly into existing workflows, allowing you to cut down on time-consuming manual work. This means you can focus more on strategic tasks, while Onetask AI takes care of the repetitive stuff. One of the standout features of Onetask AI is its task automation. This isn't just simple automation, it's intelligent automation. Onetask AI learns your preferences and adapts to the way you work. Over time, it gets smarter, streamlining processes that would normally take hours into just minutes. And here's the kicker, it's intuitive enough for beginners, but powerful enough for seasoned professionals. Another key benefit is its powerful task prioritization engine. Many AI tools fail when it comes to organizing tasks in an efficient order. But Onetask AI goes beyond basic prioritization. It uses advanced algorithms to ensure that you're tackling the most important and time-sensitive tasks first. This takes your productivity to a whole new level and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Does this software work with the tools I already use? Absolutely. Onetask AI integrates with a wide range of popular apps and platforms, making it incredibly versatile. Whether you're managing emails, client projects, or social media campaigns, Onetask AI connects with your favorite tools like Google Workspace, Slack, and Trello, allowing you to sync everything effortlessly. But here's a little secret. One of the most valuable aspects of Onetask AI is its scalability. Whether you're working solo or managing a team of dozens, Onetask AI can grow with you. It doesn't matter if you're a solopreneur or part of a large organization, the AI adapts to your needs, ensuring that no matter the size of your operation, you'll see real, tangible improvements in productivity. Another point I love about Onetask AI is its user-friendly interface. Unlike some other AI tools that are bogged down with complicated menus and unnecessary features, Onetask keeps things clean and simple. The platform is intuitive, so even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll have no problem getting started. Plus, the customer support is top-notch, and the community around it is thriving, so if you ever have questions, help is just a click away. Lastly, Onetask AI offers a completely free trial, no strings attached. So if you're wondering whether this software will actually live up to the hype, you can test it yourself and decide. That's a game changer, and if you're not completely sold, you can easily cancel without any hassle. Now, if you're interested in trying Onetask AI for free, be sure to check the first link in the description. I've personally tried thousands of AI software tools, and I've got my top recommendations listed in the description, so you can explore the best of the best without wasting time. Onetask AI isn't just a tool, it's a productivity game changer, and if you're serious about leveling up your workflow, you won't want to miss out on it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the software in the description below.